The circular flow model is aptly named because funds tend to continuously flow between sectors. The circular flow model's primary goal is to better understand how money circulates within an economy. It divides the economy into two major players, households and companies. It divides the markets in which these people operate into markets for goods and services and markets for factors of production. Additional sectors can be added to improve cash flow tracking. Here are some different sectors of circular flow. First, we have household sector, and the business sector. It is used in the TW2 sector model. The government sector used for 3-sector model, and the foreign sector used for 4-sector model. And lastly, the financial sector. It is used in the 5-sector model. In a 2-sector model, circular flow models begin with the household sector, which is responsible for consumer spending. Households contribute to the economy by working, donating time and labor, and purchasing goods, donating money. In exchange, households buy things and use government services. The business sector that manufactures the products. Businesses bear a wide range of manufacturing costs, including labor, materials, and overhead. As a result, many businesses are able to create items that help others. In a 3-sector model, government cash flows are considered. The government puts money into the circle by spending G on programs like Social Security and the National Park Service. It also taxes people and corporations. In a 4-sector model, money enters the circle via exports, X, which bring cash from worldwide purchasers in the foreign sector. This implies that the 2 or 3-sector models solely account for domestic activity. The foreign sector differs from the domestic sector in that administrative inefficiencies might lead to lost cash flow due to import taxes, levies, or fees. This covers banks and other institutions that generate cash flow through lending services. Some circular flow models also depict investor activity, as cash flow from entrepreneurs and investors may represent an inflow to enterprises, but net earnings from the company represent an outflow. This diagram is a schematic representation of the organization of the economy. Decisions are made by households and firms. Households and firms interact in the markets for goods and services, where households are buyers and firms are sellers, and in the markets for the factors of production, where firms are buyers and households are sellers. The outer set of arrows shows the flow of dollars, and the inner set of arrows shows the corresponding flow of inputs and outputs.